Today we had our annual Early Years Conference, and it's been running now for the past 5 years. We offer the Early Years Conference out to early years practitioners across the Southwest region, and really it's a way of us being able to engage with our employers and with the sector, but also to provide them with a valuable opportunity to develop skills and develop knowledge which they can take back into the early years setting. So we see it very much as a collaborative and a partnership approach, where we are using our expertise to be able to enhance the learning experiences of the children across the region. So today our theme was developing playful learning skills within the early years. So we've had a range of workshops relating to expressive art, playing in the outdoors. We've had workshops on map making. We've had some very active workshops in performance arts, and all of our practitioners have had a lovely day, a very educational, very informative day, and we've had a great academic keynote speak from our keynote speaker, Dr. Liz Spruill, who's been involved in a lot of research into developing play within the early years. So it's been a very productive day all around.